In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background image in Unbounce. If you're building a landing page and want a strong visual anchor behind your content, updating the background in a section is quick and makes a big difference in how your page feels. First, make sure you're in the Unbounce editor and click the page section where you want the new background. Sections are those full-width horizontal bands on your page. Be sure you're selecting the outer section, not an individual element like a text box or button inside it. You'll know you've got the right layer when the entire band is outlined. With the section selected, look to the right-hand side of the editor and confirm that the Properties tab is active. This panel controls everything about the section you've clicked, so keeping an eye on it will help you work faster. Now, scroll in the Properties panel until you find the Background Controls. This is the hub for how your section looks behind your content. If the section currently has a color or gradient, that's where you'll see it listed. Open the Style dropdown and choose Image. This tells Unbounce you want a single image to fill the section. If your design calls for a repeated pattern, like a subtle texture or small icon, you can select Pattern instead, which will tile the image across the section. Image is best for hero banners or large photos. Pattern is great for lightweight repeating visuals. Click Choose Image to open your image library. Here, you can upload a new file from your computer, pick something you've already uploaded, or browse stock options from Unbounce and Unsplash. As you choose, think about clarity and performance. Wide hero sections often look best with images around 1600 to 2000 pixels wide, and compressed files help your page load faster. High contrast images, or ones with a soft overlay, keep text readable on top. Once you select your image, the editor will preview it right away in the section. If you see cropping or unexpected positioning, remember that sections scale with screen size. Large, centered images with some safe space around key subjects usually work best across devices. When you're happy, save your work. If your page is already published, click Republish to push the update live. Saving keeps the changes in the editor. Republishing makes them visible to visitors. That's all there is to it. Choose the section, switch the background style to image or pattern, pick your asset, and save and republish to go live.